Nong thau an nong krem constituency ba den mliab se mai ha ka sin Ïingdorbar ka bola labu jingkli habide bat kur company yo Shynrai bi tep Shynrai Lakadong hapo Ïingdorbar thau an ka jela menta ka sngi ka po tre urampang da ka bong bola penkinet yo hagisi balai no hadian ke jeng kendu chung bat kibriu na ka thain Lakadong bat safai area da ka bakle pen pa bo krene ya ka kam Khaïi bat rap Shynrai jong ki sya ka sorkar na mar kumbolong menta kibriu na bar ka jela ki temu ban Khaïi ya ki waipat ki Shynrai dak pun kam ya ha ka kerteng Shynrai Lakadong ulong rupa kene ker komle kalong ke jipru nong ya ki tribe mi Shynrai Lakadong haba jubab ya kete ke jingkli nak liang ka menteri jong ka rap karyang ka kong amprin ning do klong ba nak liang ka sarkar kam sham shongkli ti bat ka le la ka benta ban rap kinong rap bat kinong Khaïi Shynrai hapo jala khamtam nak than jan tehel dak bathau ya commission Lakadong for holistic value chain development kabula ban rap ya kinong Khaïi bat kinong rap Shynrai Lakadong
the rules of procedure and conduct of business on a matter relating to protect the ownership of Lakadong turmeric. Sri Arden Basamai, please.
So, at the outset, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this zero-hour notice under Rule 49A. Sir, it was on 19th of January this year that I attended the program of the village organization for the SHG Meet Come Exhibition program at the Safai village. It was there that I met many villagers and had a conversation with them where they requested me to take up the matter with the government in connection with the decline on the sale of Lakadong turmeric, which has really surprised me. So, they told me that the reason is because other people from other states have planted Lakadong turmeric by taking the rhizomes from here and sell the produce by using the name of Lakadong turmeric. So this has diluted the quality of Lakadong, of original Lakadong turmeric, and since their soils cannot yield the same quality of turmeric, because soil is one of the most important factor that largely contributed to the quality of Lakadong turmeric. It has also created a confusion among the consumers to differentiate between the original Lakadong turmeric with this counterfeit Lakadong turmeric uses the name of Lakadong turmeric. So, sir, to you, I would strongly urge the minister in charge to take up this matter seriously and to do whatever way possible to protect the right of the original Lakadong turmeric growers. And in case this turmeric has not been patented, the government may perhaps facilitate the same so that no other than the original Lakadong growers can use the name of Lakadong turmeric. With this submission, sir, I resume my seat.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I am grateful and thankful to the honorable member of Nong for having raised this important matter. So Meghalaya Lakadong turmeric is one of the finest varieties of turmeric in the world and is grown exclusively in Jingeh Hills region with significant involvement of women farmers and entrepreneurs in its cultivation and processing. Over 13,000 farmers from about 124 villages covering 2,130 hectares of land are engaged in the cultivation of this miracle spice. Lakadong turmeric is considered to be one of the world's best variety of turmeric, with curcumin content up to 12%, outshining other turmeric varieties which typically contain only 2 to 3% of curcumin. This high curcumin content enhances the health aiding and culinary attributes of Lakadong turmeric, making it highly sought after in national and global markets, especially in the post-COVID era. The high curcumin content is a result of the favorable soil and climatic conditions of the region surrounding the villages and the tender care given to the crop by the farmers. Despite the immense potential, farmers face multiple challenges in terms of unavailability of planting material, inadequate infrastructure, presence of multiple intermediaries, and limited access to finance. All these led to low price realization for the farmers. To bring about positive changes in the value chain of Lakadong turmeric, the government of Meghalaya launched the Mission Lakadong for a holistic value chain development. The mission supported farmers through capacity building, technology adoption, and access to remunerative markets. The intervention enabled a sustainable transition towards a more equitable and remunerative income generation option for the turmeric farmers of the state. These interventions helped the Lakadong turmeric to stand out and garner much attention from all fronts, leading to high demand from both national and global markets. Taking advantage of the default organic nature of the crop and its high curcumin content, a number of market players have been making inroads into the villages of Jangeh Hills to source the Lakadong turmeric. However, this has led to a